Right, good morning. I have a chair here. Look at it, nice colored in, painted, look full of hearts and stuff. But the back is broken. I see this thing is like it's off here, so I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna glue this, but this is not a very strong type of wood. So I'm gonna loosen it, and I'm gonna put a. My plan is to put a like a flat bar, a piece of flat bar in the back, just to suspend the thing a little bit. And then somebody can sit and I'll glue this again, and then might just paint it, cover it again. So let's see how we can fix it. But very interesting is to show you how this old chairs look in the bottom. I don't know where we got this chair. Look at this inside here. This is how they keep the part together in here. There's like a metal ring with this little straps, and then they bolt it. Then I pull the whole thing together like this. Look, there in each corner is a screw. It's the first time I see this. So this is a sturdy, very sturdy chair, even though it's so old. Okay, let's fix it. I use this old car frame to bend stuff. I'm gonna drill some holes in here. Okay, now we take some dioxidine, and then you're just gonna rub. You see, yeah. You can just put it over the piece of metal so they don't rust. Okay, I'm finished here. So I glued that now, and then this thing is in the back here. So this piece of metal is now in the back, and it will sit with your back here. See here in the corner is also a little bit crooked. Also damaged. Let's put some more glue, but I just need to touch up paint and I'll put it here. But I think if you can see here is a little bit of a issue here. I think I'm gonna just put some glue in there and work it in there, and then it will work. Okay, I have here some of that paint, that same color, the purple. For what it's worth, you can somehow go and touch up here a little bit. Don't see it look so bad, but it's an old chair, so I think it will be alright. I'll put some paint over the screws here. Then I think that is alright. I'm just gonna wipe this and then I'm finished. You see this thing? Let me just quickly show you here. I found this on a skipper, like people throw stuff away. It's like an old wheel of a car or a cart or something. I don't know what is it. Interesting. But I use it to bend the metals. You can see I make a hole in here. You can put your rod through here, then you bend it over or put a clamp on here. But it's very interesting. It's very nice, very sturdy, very old, 50s, 40s, 30s, I don't know. Okay, but anyway, let's put this away. And then let's finish this chair. get a nice shot of this chair, and then I'm finished. Hope you enjoy this video, learn something. Till next time, cheers.